guys, welcome back to my channel. So for all those who don't know me, hi, I'm Anushka Kerkar and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'll be doing something I have never done on my channel before. It's something regarding creativity, like a DIY. For all those who don't know, I love drawing, painting, and all this artistic stuff like best out of ways, making things out of things, basically transforming them. So today I thought of doing something with these shoes. So my mom got me these shoes sometime back, and I haven't used it much, maybe once, twice, not more than that. So this is a light pink color shoes. If you can see, it's not white, it's like a lightish pink color. And I thought कि चलो कुछ कर लेते हैं DIY जैसा. A very big thanks to my grandmother who helped me so much for choosing a design to do it on this. So we have decided of doing something with a bug. So you can see. Okay, this is the one we have selected. First, I'm going to do one shoe and see how it looks, and then I'm going to go with the second one. Okay, so let's begin without any other delay. So guys, I'll quickly take you through my workplace. Because guys, you cannot use poster colors on these. You have to use acrylic paint. Poster colors will get washed off. And Hakkan, this is my Jugadu palette because I've lost my palette. I just finished doing the first shoe and it turns out to be like this. I really like the way this bug has come out, and I decided not to color these two over here. And sides में I've just drawn few leaves. पीछे ऐसे ही मैंने polka dot type design कर दिया है. And at the other side again we have some leaves. I'm finally done with the first shoe and it turned out to be very nice. And I'm really happy the way it's looking, and I'm going to do the same with another one. Okay guys, so the first thing what I did was I started sketching the bug on the shoe. I took a proper measurement and exactly at the center I drew a bug. At this side I drew a bug, and at this side I drew a bug. So first I practiced on a paper, and then I'm going to do the exact size how I did it on this shoe. So I'm going to do the same thing here. So I'm drawing it with a normal pen pencil. You can use a pencil or pen pencil, whatever. But I would recommend not to draw it directly with a pen or a marker or sketch pen. Sketch pen to bilkul nahi, don't use only sketch pens. Pencil is preferable. So guys, this is how it looks after I drew it. And yeah, I've stuffed a newspaper inside so it's easier to draw. So now I'm done with the drawing, and now we'll start with the painting. Okay, so for painting I've used this really patla brush. I've used paint brushes only in the number 1 and 2. Okay, really the thin ones. And I'm using 3 markers for the black outline, except these. Okay, this part, this inside part, and the head part I painted with black paint, but the rest, all the details, I've done it with the marker. You get it easily in a stationery shop, so I've used this one. But guys, when you're drawing, doing the outline with the marker, don't go slow. Go fast, because if you go slow, the marker is going to spread everywhere and it's going to look really bad. For the eyes, this is not pure white color, it's a silverish color. I'm using the Faber-Castell, the shade No Need to Iron. पीछे भी जो मैंने किया है, here I have used black marker, patla, the same one, and the red one in the same brand. It's again from Faber-Castell. Let's go now for the painting. Painting part, this is how it looks. That's all when it comes to painting, except those 2 dots are still remaining. When it comes to painting is something that really calms my mind, and I really enjoy doing it from childhood till now. I really love doing painting. It's like meditation for me. So guys, I'm finally done with the second shoe as well, and this is how it looks. It looks like the first one only to me. Also guys, I'm no professional when it comes to painting or all art stuff, but this is something that I really wanted to do, and it's turned out to be so good. Look at this. These are the, they look quite similar ना, मुझे वही डर था कि अलग ना हो जाए, but they look quite similar. And oh my god, I'm so excited to wear these outside because this is some first time I'll be wearing something I made for myself on my own. Many of you must be thinking कि beetle ही क्यों, कुछ और भी कर सकते थे. So we saw many ideas on Google as well as Pinterest, but कुछ कॉपी नहीं करना था, खुद का ही करना था जो भी करना था. And my grandmother said, why don't you try a bug, a red black bug? So I was like, yeah, that's a really good idea, because a few years back I had a slipper which had a bug like on the slipper, and I used to love that slipper so much. I made it on my own, guys. I'm not, I just bought some acrylic paint and I've done it. And it turned out to be really good. I'm so excited to wear this. Please let me know in the comment section how much would you rate these shoes out of 10. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like my video, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also let me know in the comment section if you would like to see more DIY stuff or something related to art. I will surely plan to do that. And I'm enjoying these shoes so much. See, I have not removed the shoes from my feet. Like, thank you so much for watching this, and I've tried something new on my channel. I hope you like it. So do not forget to subscribe because it's free. So come on, just hit the subscribe button, and yeah, let me know how did you like these. I really love them. Though it's not so sparkly or something, but it's just like me, subtle, thoda color and bye bye guys, final bye bye. Take care of yourselves and your families. Also hit the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new YouTube video. Now bye, see you next time.